Hello and welcome back to NowKnows Channel. It's wonderful to have you back on our channel. House fires are a serious concern, and understanding how to prevent them is paramount for every homeowner, tenant, and individual. It's a topic that touches many aspects of daily life, from cooking and electrical safety to heating and child-proofing your home. Starting with the kitchen, one of the most common places where house fires occur, we must emphasize safety in cooking procedures. Never leave cooking food unattended on the stove. Use back burners when possible. And always turn pot handles inward so they won't be bumped. Keeping flammable materials away from heat sources and maintaining a tidy cooking area free of grease can mitigate fire risks. Understanding how to put out different kinds of kitchen fires, e.g., never using water on a grease fire, is vital. Electrical safety is another critical aspect of fire prevention. Regularly check all wires, outlets, and electrical appliances for wear and tear or fraying. If you find any issues, have a licensed electrician make the necessary repairs. Avoid using extension cords as permanent solutions, and never run them under rugs or heavy furniture where they can overheat. Consider installing arc fault circuit interrupters, AFCIs, which can detect dangerous electrical arcs and stop them before they start a fire. Heating equipment, like space heaters, furnaces, and fireplaces, needs regular maintenance and careful handling. Ensure that all heating sources are kept at a safe distance from flammable materials. Have chimneys cleaned annually, and always use fireplace screens. If using space heaters, choose models with automatic shut-off features. Smoking-related fires are preventable. If you smoke, do so outside and ensure that cigarettes are completely extinguished in deep, sturdy ashtrays. Never smoke in bed or when drowsy. Children's safety must be taken into account. Teaching them about fire safety and the dangers associated with playing with matches, lighters, and candles is essential. Store such items out of children's reach. Smoke alarms and fire extinguishers should be present on every floor. Regularly test smoke alarms and replace batteries as needed. Know how to use a fire extinguisher, and keep one easily accessible in the kitchen. Outdoor activities, such as grilling, can pose fire risks. Maintain a safe distance from structures and trees, and always have a water source or fire extinguisher nearby. Developing a comprehensive fire escape plan with your family is essential. Everyone should know at least 2 ways out of every room, and you should practice the plan at least twice a year. Candles are often used for ambiance, but they require careful handling. Always place them in sturdy holders on stable surfaces away from flammable materials and drafts. Never leave them unattended, and keep them out of reach of children and pets. The proper storage of flammable materials is essential. Store flammable liquids like gasoline, oil, and paint thinner in proper containers and away from living spaces. Maintain a clutter-free home by keeping newspapers, magazines, and fabrics away from heat sources. Fire safety should also extend to the outdoors. When using a barbecue grill, follow the manufacturer's instructions and keep it away from siding and deck railings. Ensure it is stable. Never leave it unattended, and check the propane tank hose for leaks at the start of the season. Natural disasters like wildfires also pose a threat. If you live in an area prone to wildfires, create a defensible space around your home by maintaining your lawn and removing dead plants and trees. Consult with local authorities to understand the best practices for your specific location. In addition, technological advancements offer new tools for fire safety. Consider installing smart smoke detectors that can send alerts to your phone or sprinkler systems that can extinguish fires quickly. Educating everyone in the household, including children, about fire safety is crucial. Ensure that everyone knows what to do.
A critical
in the event
element
of fire and
safety
practice
is your
ongoing
escape
vigilance
plan
regularly. Invest time in learning about the latest safety regulations and technology and heating equipment. And don't hesitate to consult with local fire departments or experts that may apply to your home's equipment. In conclusion, Fire safety is a complex subject requiring constant attention and a commitment to maintaining safe practices throughout every area of the home. It's not just about installing alarms and following codes. It's about fostering a mindset where safety is the priority in everything we do. By implementing these guidelines, not only will you safeguard your home and loved ones, but you'll also create a living environment where everyone can thrive without the constant fear of potential catastrophe. The information provided in this video offers a comprehensive guide to preventing house fires. However, these practices need to be tailored to your unique living situation, local regulations, and personal needs. By understanding the underlying principles, you can adapt them to suit your lifestyle and create a truly safe home environment. Please subscribe to our channel for more detailed guides on home safety and share this video with friends and family to spread awareness about the importance of preventing house fires. Thank you for watching, and stay safe. Your well-being is our top priority, and we're here to guide you every step of the way in creating a fire-safe environment for you and your loved ones. Let's work together to keep our homes safe and protected.